Hello everyone, I'm Sir Net Kapala and today we're going to unbox our new collection. So guys, we have here the full detail of Dodge Charger. We have the front, the back, the side of the car. The toy car can open both doors. Also, we can see the inside the car. We have the steering wheel, the seat, and the other thing. We can also open the trunk and the hood of the car. And dito ako ng mga guys kasi you can activate also the headlight and tail light by pressing the roof of the car. Diba ang angas? Angas ng dating. So, ayun lang guys. Sa ngayong unboxing natin Dodge Charger. So, until next time guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.